Hello dear friends, you are watching Sara's Home Vedas. I am your Sara. We are all familiar with snoring. If you are not the main culprit of this noisy nighttime problem, we know someone who is. Snoring affects about half of our population and 25% of us are habitual snorers. But why do we even snore? When we go to sleep, our neck muscles relax. Sometimes they can be too relaxed. This causes your upper airway, that is nose and throat, to become too narrow for enough air to travel to the lungs. When this happens, the surrounding tissues vibrates and result in the sound we recognize to be snores. The narrower your airway becomes, the greater the vibration and the louder the snorer. Good news is there are natural snoring remedies that can help. What's causing you to snore? A couple of factors come into play. Carrying excess weight around your neck and throat can cause snoring. In general, men have narrower air passages than women and are most likely to snore. Sleeping flat on your back could also make you more susceptible to snoring. Even the shape of your mouth or a stuffy nose from a cold could make you sound like an old engine revving up. Another very popular one is the structure of your entire nasal cavity. How you snore could also be telling why you snore. If you snore with your mouth closed, you could be snoring because of a problem with your tongue. While if you snore with your mouth open, a problem with your throat could be the cause of your snoring. Identifying why you snore is very key in figuring out how to make it stop. Natural snoring remedies that can help. There are a couple of ways to deal with snoring, some medical and some natural. Medical treatment is usually recommended for extreme scenarios like when your snoring results in sleep apnea. But before turning to medical treatment, try out these natural snoring remedies that work like charm. First, lose some weight. People who are overweight are 2 times more likely to snore than those who aren't. Second, change your sleeping position. Sleeping on your back can cause your airways to become blocked or narrowed. Sleeping on your side is recommended. Number 3, cut down on alcohol and cigarettes. If you drink alcohol habitually, especially before bed, that might be the cause of your snoring. Regular smokers are also likely to snore. Smoking irritates your throat tissues, leading to inflammation that results in snores. Number 4, drink more water. Staying hydrated is always a good idea, particularly for snorers. Dehydration leads to mucus forming in your nose, which could make you snore. Number 5, work out your tongue and throat muscle. You snore when your tongue and throat muscles are too relaxed. Strengthening them would help you stop. To work out your tongue, place the tip of your tongue behind the top of your teeth and slide it back and forth for a couple of minutes a day. Number 6, examine your diet and cut down on inflammatory food. Dairy and gluten products are well-known culprits for causing tissues in your nose and throat to become inflamed. Get some steam in. Use a facial steam bowl to open up your airways just before you go to bed. This comes in especially handy if a stuffy nose from a cold or allergies is the cause of your snoring. Get enough sleep. It's important to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Elevate your head while you sleep. If sleeping on your side instead of your back doesn't stop your snoring, you might need to prop up your head a little bit. This will ease breathing and open up your airways. Nasal sprays. When blocked or narrow airways cause snoring, a nasal spray may also be useful. Ginger and honey tea. Ginger is the most common household item. It is a superfood which can cure almost anything from an upset stomach, weight loss, heart problem to the common cough and cold. Drinking ginger and honey tea twice a day is perfect to get rid of the problem of snoring. Pineapple, bananas and oranges. The best way to get rid of snoring is by improving the quality of your sleep, and this can be achieved by increasing the amount of melatonin produced in the body. Pineapple, bananas, and oranges are high in melatonin content, and you can have them to stop snoring. Extra virgin olive oil. Sipping some extra virgin olive oil before going to bed can also smoothen up the airways. It also prevents the throat muscles from blocking the throat when you sleep. According to statistics from the National Sleep Foundation, around 1 in 3 men and 1 in 4 women snore every night. Snoring is an annoying condition, but most importantly, it can be a sign of ill health. You may not realize this, but your snoring can disrupt the quality of sleep of your partner and can lead to fatigue and irritability. Finally, how do you know which remedy will work best for you? Try them all, one after the other, until you find one that sticks. Instead of getting stuck in an endless loop of trying different remedies, track your sleep and keep a sleep diary. It will help you get a better idea of your sleep pattern and habits. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this video. Try to follow these natural remedies to overcome the problem of snoring. Also try to get enough sleep without disturbing others. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to my channel below. Thank you. Be fit, be Vedic.